Precision of the correction. Let's get the cat out of the bag first, the fear factor. You see, most people with vertigo are terrified of having their neck touched. They've seen the Rack'em and Crack'em videos and they think there's no way I'm letting someone do that to me. You're right to be cautious. Your upper neck is the most sensitive area of your nervous system. Today, I'm going to show you why the knee chest technique is different and why it's the most precise way to stop the spin. First, we have to engineer the correction. In our practice, we don't guess, we measure. Our state-of-the-art technology with computerized infrared thermography detects the exact moment that your atlas has misaligned. This certifies us that when we expose the x-ray, we will see the exact misalignment that is causing these problems. We look at your upper cervical spine from 3 different dimensions. This isn't a general adjustment. It's a custom engineered correction designed specifically for your anatomy. This isn't a pop and pray model of healthcare that shock factor sells. This is a blueprint of your neuroanatomy that requires precision and certitude. This is why we approach upper cervical with the knee-chest method. You see, the knee-chest position allows us to use gravity to our advantage. It opens up the joints in the upper neck so we can deliver a light and lightning fast correction. There's no twisting. There's no towel around the neck sensational cracking of the joints. This is a specific tap that resets the bone and removes the pressure from your brainstem. In fact, most patients are shocked at how simple and gentle it actually is. And this is when the magic happens. When that bone moves back into place, the noise in your nervous system clears up. Your brain finally gets the correct data to your inner ear. The dizziness just doesn't go away. Your body finally has the ability to heal itself. That is the power of upper cervical care and healthcare. Precision over guesswork. If you've been avoiding help because you're afraid of the treatment, it's time to change your perspective. Precision is the antidote to fear. Click the link below to see our process in action and schedule your consult at Hope Upper Cervical. Stop guessing with your health. Start executing.